Bright Olympian, Diamond Dane, Maypan, AJ Special Threshold. Last call, place your bets. 1,300 meters is the distance. Anytime now, race number 3. Perracom sponsored charity special race. All set now, ready to race. Race number 3. And the race is on. Kissable Toys from the outside. AJ Special Threshold. Bright Olympian. Danori inside is Diamond Dane. AJ Special by ahead Threshold. Moving up by Darrell is the favorite Bright Olympian. And racing in Port Diamond Dane alongside is Kissable Toys Maypan. Racing in 677 status symbol ready to rumble. And inside the last 900, Bright Olympian. This time by a length and a half. AJ Special in second Threshold. Diamond Dane. Kissable Toys Maypan is running by the second last ready to rumble status symbol. And out of four turn, Bright Olympian by about 2 lengths, followed by AJ Special Threshold, Maypan, Diamond Dane, Kissable Toys, ready to rumble, status symbol. As they race the final corner, Bright Olympian by about 3 lengths, followed now by Maypan, and on the outside, AJ Special, ready to rumble. With the last 100 meters more to run, Bright Olympian ready to rumble. Maypan on the outside. And finally it's going to be ready to rumble. Maypan close. Bright Olympian, Diamond Dane.